Hello you lovely people, Camping Dan, day 2 in Wales. And if I pan round, who have we got?
Yes, I, Mr. Pussycats.
As everyone knows, that's Adam in the wild. Adam in the wild in Wales.
Yeah, in Wales, this is day 2. We had a lovely camp up, what we call Fanny Big, but the Welsh pronunciation, I believe, is something like Vanubui Big. But it was a great camp, wasn't it?
Quality camp.
And I'm
Great
buzzing
company.
for day 2 now. And we're, you know, a bit ropey this morning, but cheeky little bit of Weatherspoons and whatnot. We're good to go again.
Hey. If you come over here. Beautiful, idyllic. Perfect spot there, 2 chairs. Looks like there's a cup there. Don't think anyone's sat in it for a while. With a foliage on it. Beautiful. Right now we're to a secret location. Home. Boys in the woods. I believe Gez is waiting for us. Sure. Wrong way.
Go on, the boys!
Stupid. No.
Come on, the boys! Hey, there we are.
There's the chaps.
Yes, I.
Shining star, giving, receiving, changing, believing, only then we could start. Feel like that. Feel like that. Feel like that. Your arms around me and stay with me.
My setup for tonight, same as last night, but I didn't show you what I had last night. I've got the Trachology pillar in the OEX Phantom Evo 200 fleece mattress, fleece blanket, and an air mat. Done me a job last night. If you know, you know. and I'm in the Fox one again tonight. Just stuck a tarp up, so I've got a little bit of a dry area. We'll have a look at everyone else's setups. Dart is in the hammock tonight, under quilt. Just one side of it. What I'll do is I'll climb up to the top. I'll bring you back from the top.
Right, beautiful, beautiful. Well, there you go.
Cheers, everybody.
Find the link to that video in the description. Camping Dad's boozing up there. What else going on? Did you see him? He's just drinking out while we're doing a back camp. Nah, come on. Right,
We've got two YouTubers filming each other.
I'll tell you what it is about that. You saw them yesterday. Oh, whatever it is.
And
The last video.
this is up on top. There's Adam's, Nick's.
Yes, sir.
You probably won't be able to see mine behind. Believe it or not, there's camouflage there. You won't be able to see it. Bit of man love there. And then Dar.
Honestly, boys in the woods. This honestly, this trip to Wales, I thought, you know what?
Yeah, I'm just on the top platform. Finish my drink off. It's honestly absolutely brilliant camp. Some of the lads I've never met before, but it feels like knowing them for years. The welcome we've received is fantastic, and big up to the lads, honestly. They've made it a cracking, can't even say a weekend because it's Thursday, Friday we've been here, but cheers to you lads.
I'm not getting angry.
Oh, fuck it, I can't be asked to film.
Me and him were up at 6:30 this morning.
I'm a fucking waste of space.
All the boys.
I want you to dance to this next song, but it's a totally different dance, right?
Tune. Jackal.
Straight into the hip.
Oh, not low. Is that what is it?
It's not all night long.
One more time.
Carry that, fuck that, isn't it?
It's all going to my massive fucking eyes. That is, oh my god.
Move, yeah. That's the easiest solution.
Revelation.
I mean, talk about a solution.
If the smoke follows you, you're fucked.
There's the big build.
Oh, it is, yeah, it's there.
We've done absolutely nothing. But we've built relations. The English-Welsh relations are stronger than ever.
They've come together.
That guy I'm gonna rebuild off his dike, keep you out.
Jez is going to build a moat to keep the English out.
Yeah. That's why he's got the top part, so he can get the machine guns on top.
It was a cracking camp with a cracking bunch of lads. But I did make a massive mistake. I all planned on making a campfire crumble for everyone. But I took apples, I took cherries, took crumble top, took custard. But left the tins to cook them in the car. So a massive failure on my behalf, and I apologise to the lads.